Let's talk about Abeiku Santana, Shatta Wale, Blazebwoy, and Shatta Wale's new friend, Enoke 69. Not long ago, Abeiku Santana blasted Pizza Man severely for jailing 2 of his workers for 5 years.
Workers are real with chicken wings, 20 cartons. 1 year jail on 5 years.
Abeiku Santana did not understand why they should be jailed, and a lot of people were against Abeiku Santana's opinion. Few days after he was on UTV, he was given the chance to apologize to Pizza Man. Abeiku Santana says he will never apologize to Pizza Man today, tomorrow, or forever. Never. He will never do it.
I will not apologize to Pizza Man today, tomorrow, or forever.
Here is Abeiku Santana today apologizing to Pizza Man.
Yeah, now what you are mu, and I'm a calm, my dream. I am me, Abeiku Santana, my dream. I will emrantie me no. A year Juma Pizza Man. Omakuria, akokonam, ene vegetable cooking oil. Ye jelium. Na me the emotions ekasai say punishment ana jail na ye jelium no ano ehye. And I make say Pizza Man wura no onye guy. Me sre no on fan cheme man kan ye. I'm sorry. I apologize to Pizza Man for saying he's not a guy. And I apologize for saying say enka on fan tete ne workers no mo wi ano no on fan tete enfi omo pemu. Sa asem no amekan no man dwen ho say obi adwuma obi awi ano ono nso odi ya ewo ni mu. It Pizza Man, I am sorry for saying you are not a guy, and I'm sorry for saying that you should have found alternative means to get your money.
Why? If you ask me, I feel he was forced to do this because not long, one of Pizza Man's marketers was interviewed on GH1, and he says, even Abeiku Santana's boss, that is Despite, at the point some of his workers stole an amount of money, like say 12 billion of his money. He let the boys be in jail for 20 years.
Yeah, brother, is senior brother Abeiku Santana, or should Despite say. Best point and savings and loan, Despite there.
Okay.
Yes, Despite there. Or IT guys be. Oh, na jumum. Omunim IT ni mo pa ti. Omo collaborate no mo ria 12 billion if in the company nim. Ever Despite ejeli omo 20 years.
So what is the difference? Your boss has also jailed people before, his workers before, for stealing. Now, him to the marketer speaking at the time, his boss has also jailed workers for stealing. It is basically the same thing, and you are disagreeing with somebody whilst your boss is also doing the same thing, and you cannot condemn your boss.
It's needless to send your worker who has stolen your chicken wings to court for him to be jailed 5 years. It doesn't make sense. I'll say it today, tomorrow, and forever.
So it looks like with this example or with this comparison, Abeiku no go fit contain the heat in Abeiku no go fit contain the heat anymore. So he has no choice than to apologize.
However, I think I didn't think carefully about your situation, your condition as an entrepreneur. So I want to render an unqualified apology to Pizza Man.
Because if once you are discriminating other people's boss for doing the same thing, indirectly you are speaking to your boss too. Say what he do first, no, he no force. So I feel like guy man will say he will never apologize. He will never apologize. He the fear say no, the boss go fish show up shege. So he has to apologize. Now Blazebwoy
can't fall apart, can't go astray. The blessings where they palm me, no video can play.
And there are a lot of talents sometimes you see and you fall in love with them down flat immediately. Some people, their talent has to grow on you. Some of them too, once you identify, once you see them, you know this is a great talent. He deserves the push. Blazebwoy has been my sensation in recent times. He's out with a new tune titled One Step.
Jah know me not pray them fears. Boy, I go hustle till the end of this.
He did a performance of the same tune on Showcase 360. You can check him out and then you know what I am talking about. Shatta Wale, the man of the moment. Pro, spent whole week during the weekend. Shatta Wale was there. The performance and the response from the audience was mad. Everywhere, Shatta Wale turned up the place and he has become the talk of town just because of that performance. And if you ask me, you can't do it more than or better than Shatta Wale. When he is on the stage, everybody is active. The amazing part of it be say it was raining that night, but you see audience with their phones out, taking coverage, taking videos, doing selfies, Snapchat, jamming with one don on stage. This is love, and the love is reciprocal. Shatta Wale is giving the audience hardcore back to back what they want. The audience are receiving it and jamming back, giving back to Shatta Wale the kind of response he also wanted. It was great. If you are there, I believe you had fun. I was there and bro, I have fun. Now, Shatta Wale's new friend, Enoke 69. If you know Enoke 69, you know that he's this guy who has been giving sure odds, not 100% sure, but he's been giving betting odds on his website, his Twitter handle, his Snapchat, and a whole lot of handles. Enoke 69. He's been Shatta Wale's new friend in recent time. I can see Shatta Wale trying to associate, or Shatta Wale has been associating with him in recent times, especially when he flaunted his Range Rover and he says he got all that out of betting, and people disagree with him. Shatta Wale was in for him. He tweeted, Shatta Wale actually tweeted, said, somebody has succeeded and the person is showing you the way. You people say he dey lie. So Shatta Wale and Enoke has been getting along these days. When on the night Shatta Wale was performing at Legon at the Paint whole week celebration, Enoke has to go on the stage and spray money on one don. Now, this money, it was meant for one don. It was not meant for the fans. So when he was spraying on the stage, he was spraying the money on one don. People from the crowd want to jump on the stage and get their own share, but the bouncers wouldn't allow. And if you ask me, this is like an energizer. It's a great energizer. Shout out Enoke, shout out Shatta Wale. The bond be beautiful. As for Shatta Wale, any young guy or any hustler way, you get the mind to make money anyhow, any kind of money. Once money is involved, Shatta Wale is your friend. Once money is involved, I am equally your friend. This is the video for today. My name is Clastes, Klastes everywhere. If you have, if today's your first time watching any video of mine, please don't forget to consider subscribing, like the video, tell me something in the comment section, share the ultimate, tell somebody about Clastes. To meet again on my next episode of my next content. Shatta Wale is out with a new tune titled Waiting with the official video. Claim Society.